So, new project idea. It's another Halloween decoration. It's a six-layered zombie face, and each of the layers will be a different color, which sort of adds to the texture and the depth of the whole sort of image. But I used quarter-inch plywood, and you can see how thin these pieces are. Those cuts are, 16th of an inch or less, but the CNC did it absolutely perfectly. Um, each one sort of adds a little bit more detail than the last. 6 layers deep times quarter-inch. And this is the way it stacks up. This experiment was just, a 12-inch tall example, but I really want to make this a much larger version. But look at the depth. You can see each layer sort of adds that detail, the shadows, and once there's colors on each layer, it's going to look absolutely awesome. Quarter-inch times 6 layers, it's about 1.5 inches thick. So once it's a much larger version, it'll be a lot more sort of balanced in terms of depth to width. But this is looking really cool, and I'm really excited about it. So maybe we'll see the big version soon.